Minisita w'enshonga z'abakozi Wilson Mururu Mukasa ariyo nayetorora za district z'Urukore cyangwa cya Bunyoro arakuvuganaho n'eminyeto n'ekigenderwa cya gavumenti icyo kubangura hamwe no kumura eminyeto mu bintu bitari bimwe ebikwatirine n'omugasho gwa sente no kuba kubasa kuzikoresa okuzihamwe cyo mugasho.
When we were doing the campaigns in Bunyoro, we were looking at reasons why, for instance, the young people were not so keen on the government candidates, especially in Hoima City. And one of the underlying reasons, actually, the major one I can say, was the state of poverty.
Umuringo ogu minisita n'abakuru abantu ku rugo mu kitongore cya Uganda Retirement Benefits Regulatory Authority yabugana w'eminyeto mu district ya KIKUUBE n'ururembo rwa Hoima.
Okolera obukadde tekitegeeza kubeera nti omaze kukaddiwa, naye bw'obanga okoleredde obukadde n'oba n'amaka nga weezimbidde ng'okyali muvubuka, n'oba ng'osobola okulabira famire yo, n'oba ng'osobola okuba n'emmere, osobola okuba n'omulimu gw'okola, ate n'ofissawo ne ssente z'otereka nezikuyamba ng'ate okaddiye kubanga weetaaga kaashi, ye process gy'oyitamu okukolera emyaka gye gy'obukadde.
Minisita yagira ngu ekigendererwa kya byona n'okushomesa eminyeto bakamanya okubiikiranya ensya barikurabira omu kukora emirimo obwe beeteriine.
If they collect money, put it in account, they will be the ones in charge of what they are doing. Secondly, they are doing something they all like, and they have hope and trust that if they do that, it will certainly deliver them out of, poverty, or it will somehow change their economic life.
Nikisoboka sa kukosa kasente kataito betu nokazaaza nofuuka mugayiga nohana abantu abandi emirimo. So kino kirungi muno kandi nkunira okujja kwabo kwa minister nokutraininga abasigazi baito abesikina abojo.
Badru Mugabe ora RCC w'ururembo rwa Hoima nagira ngo bashangire kizubo mu menyeto ngo nubamanya kurya sente konka bari kumanya uko bakubasa kuzarisa mwezindi.
So it's important that we teach them how to incubate a business, how to save money, and then after saving money, how to look after the business itself, how to do the economics related in any business.
Like nkokutusomere kiro kino nti omuntu alina kusavinga betu no savingo ine kigendero ebyo tube tutabimanyire.
So nolwekyo nebaza gavumenti yaffe tusindikira ba minister nga bano ne bajje no mbyalo ne batusomesa.
Gavumenti ejarizeho kuretera eminyeto programu zo kubiha omboro nka Youth Livelihood Program konka programu ejikakwatibwa kubi ahabwa bamwe okugira ngo ekija batashomesibwe. Gashakwanwagaba Ambrose Katoto.